This is a quick video to show you how to mount the SBAP cover and one of the filters to the front of an SBSA sensor. So first thing you'll notice on this filter is that there's a notch here on one corner. When you look inside the cover, you'll see there's also, let's see, right down here in this corner, some raised ribs. So to properly insert the filter, you just want to line up that knocked off corner with those ribs. It'll drop right in there and you can see it'll sit just fine. Then this cutout is on the bottom, goes to the bottom of the sensor where the dovetail mount is. So just like this. It's a snug fit, so you just got to line it up correctly and then squeeze it till you hear a click. 2 clicks actually, because there'll be this tab will click in and this tab will click in, and then now it's securely mounted and you can take photos of it. When you're ready to disassemble it, squeeze these tabs on both sides at the same time. You'll hear the catches release, and then with a little bit of effort you can slide it off. And there you go.